We have come to exonerate the Christian church in Kenya from the blanket condemnation and scrutiny of our churches based on Shakahola massacre, which was executed by Mr. Mackenzie, the so-called Good News International Church. And we categorically state that the said person has never been part of our umbrella bodies as they are known. We are fully aware that the presidential task force is already going around the country, and we urge members to be careful and aware of and avoid the people and the trap of the people who are giving views that they will compromise, and they should not compromise at all the independence as provided in the current constitution that will distinguishes the state from the religion.
Tumetayarisha document ambayo iko tayari na sasa tuko tayari